Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to change the H6 color in WordPress without using a plugin. In this lesson you will learn how to navigate your WordPress site and adjust the styling of your headings quickly and efficiently. We begin by opening your web browser and going directly to WordPress. Once you have arrived at the WordPress homepage, locate the login option. The login button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to access your account. After clicking the login button, you should proceed to authenticate by selecting the option that allows you to continue with an external authentication service such as Google. When you choose the Continue with Google option, you will be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for logging in. This method simplifies the sign-in process by linking your Google credentials with your WordPress account. With your account successfully accessed, you will then be directed to the dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your site. In this area, pay close attention to the quick links section. Within this section you will find an option labelled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will bring you to the editor interface where you have the power to make design and content changes. It provides an intuitive and user-friendly way to manage the look and feel of your site without the need for additional plugins. Within the site editor you need to locate the Styles icon, which is positioned at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on the Styles icon gives you access to a variety of customization tools. These allow you to modify various appearance settings including fonts, colors and layouts. Once in the Styles menu, find and click on the Colors option. This area is specifically designed to let you adjust the color scheme of different elements on your site, ensuring that the visual appearance remains consistent with your design goals. After opening the Colors section, you will notice several tools that allow you to fine-tune individual elements. Look for the three dots in the Elements tab, which reveal additional customization options when clicked. By clicking on these three dots, you can access settings that are not immediately visible. This step is crucial because it allows you to navigate further into the options for changing the styles of specific elements like headings. Following this, you will be prompted to choose your heading size. In this tutorial, we are focusing on the H6 heading, so it is important to choose the correct heading size from the available options. Selecting the correct heading size ensures that you are modifying the right element on your site. Once the H6 heading is selected, you will see your added heading highlighted on the page, confirming that you are working with the correct component. The final step in the process is to change the color to your preference. This is where you have the opportunity to personalize your site by choosing a color that suits your overall design scheme. Click on the color option, then select or input your desired hue until you find the perfect shade that enhances your H6 heading. This change should be instantly visible, allowing you to preview your adjustments in real time. In summary, you have now smoothly navigated through WordPress, logged in using your preferred account, accessed the site editor, and located the styling options needed to change the color of your H6 headings. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to make a targeted color adjustment without the need for any extra plugins. Enjoy the improved look and feel of your website as you continue to explore further customization options available in WordPress.